Welcome guys. So welcome to my Leetcode solving session 1523. Count odd numbers in interval range. Okay, so given to a non-negative integer low and high, and return a count of numbers between low and high. So 3 and 5, 7, you just count 3, 5, 7, and the 8, 10 you only has 9. So you return 1, and in this case you return 3. Okay, so we can just see the solution. Okay, so the solution is very simple, as I think is. So I come up with this solution. So if two of them are even, then we can show that the answer just high minus low divided by 2. And if one of is odd, then just divide by 2 plus 1. Okay, and I think this reason, this problem, the reason is very simple. So let me basically there's nothing special to there's nothing miracle here. Okay, so we can how we prove this. So in this case, so in the first case is basically low and high are all odd, are all even. So suppose low and high are all even, so I can assume that low is like 2k and the high is just 2k plus u. Okay, so the first odd is this, the second odd is this. Okay, until something which is odd should be this one, right? So so the number of all these is just, you just count. You can just see that basically it's just use this minus this, but it's inclusive, so the number is just 2u. Okay, so number is just 2u. Number is just u. Okay, because you count twice, 2. Okay, so basically it's high minus low. 2k minus 2k plus 2u minus 2k is 2u, and divided by 2. Okay, so this proves the first case. And if one of them are odd, it's very simple, right? If one of them are odd, then you can just try to find the closest even. So basically the previous one, then you just add 1. That's it. Okay, so that's it. And I remember this is very quick solution. Okay, sorry, possibly not very simple, but it's still easy to solve. Okay, and I will see you guys in the next video, and be sure to subscribe to my video. Thanks.